which I'm gonna clean that thing. I'm so sorry, but this is a monster. It's 16 years old, plus or minus 1 or 2 years, and it's still going strong. I've updated it. I did lose one of my hard drives, the red one, so I've got to fix that. But back over here to this monitor, as you saw, it's about a 49.5 more or less. I'll try and get you some better the dimensions. Yep, dimensions, as soon as I know more about this. I'm going to pull this off, but you're with me on this unboxing. Sorry I had to throw everything out of the way. I've got a lot of hobbies, and computing is one of my favorites, and so is astronomy. I love astronomy. My red jackets, my Christmas, my Native American. I love that Indian picture paint. It's not a paint, it's reprint of sorts. Be right back. As a special treat for some of you that might be interested, we're going to slowly unveil this thing, or maybe quickly, I don't know. Here we go. Ah, there it is. Ha ha ha. In your face, all you haters. In your face, you rich mofos. Well, actually, it had to come down because I don't know if people were buying this thing or not. I couldn't wait for it to... I just lost hope and forgot about it, because they were so expensive. $4,000 when this thing came out. Some people saw it for $3,500 plus tax and your guarantees. This thing's got so many guarantees on it, it's ridiculous. You get a Best Buy guarantee, you get a 2-year guarantee that you can buy separately. I don't even know who holds that guarantee. And you got the warranty, the manufacturer's warranty, which could be worthless. I don't know. But as long as this thing works, I'll be all right. For this amount of money, you know, I'm waiting for the... Obviously, I want the 240 megahertz, but this has the capacity for gameplay at 240 hertz. Back in here, look at that. I don't know what's all in there. And I'm glad that it's this size, because it'll fit my little crunched up living room perfectly. I can watch the game. I'm hoping to watch the game on this today. It's the Kansas City Chiefs against Dallas, I guess, at 1:30 Pacific Standard Time and or 4:30 Pacific Standard Time. I'm not sure, but today is Thursday. Today is Thanksgiving. November 2025, so the 27th. I was supposed to be at work, but I was lucky I got the day off for Thanksgiving. I'm going to lift this thing from one side to side and see how heavy it is, but the stand itself is the one that's super heavy. I will be cleaning everything up today and making room so I can make some decent videos for you guys like you've seen before, but they take a lot of work and a lot of time. And I'm not getting paid. I put my... I hope that you will support my channel. My channel is Lipstick on like 318 or something on YouTube. If you see it, you come by it. Please support me. Buy me a coffee is probably the best way to go. Not really... the other one... I'm not sure about the other ones that exist, but buy me a coffee would really help. Even if I get one supporter that sends me a few bucks to keep my channel going. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Be right back. Oh, here we go. Let's do a little bit more unveiling. I'm kind of hesitant to take this off. I don't want any scratches on this. Nobody wants any scratches because, you know, they're very susceptible. Whoa, check that out. Ho, ho, ho! All you haters in the world, you got no reason to be hating on people. That's just your own bad mojo. Fix it. Get some therapy or something. But treat people with respect and goodness. This is where we're going. My next computer, dual chips are supposed to be coming back, but I probably won't do a dual chip depending on the connection. What do they call that connection? So there isn't a bottleneck, but I'm going to try and lift this thing up to see if I can lift this thing onto the stand by myself. If not, I'll get a neighbor. But we'll see. We'll see what the deal is. Thank you for hanging in, and so far. Okay, I just found the tilt plate right there. There's the tilt plate. As you can see from the pictures, just found it was back in the back. back in there, slid in there. Boy, that tilt plate is heavy, and this is, of course, I don't know what this is. Are these the controls? Probably. I can't see. Anyway, I just found this box, and we'll go from here in a few minutes. I'm going to slide it back. Now, whatever that is heavy. Alrighty. Whew, man, I'm so excited. Man, I just love the bigger screens. This looks a little bit too big, but you can always size down your... You can always size down your screen, your windows. So that should work great for me. Alright, there she is. It is manageable. I should be able to do it by myself without too many troubles. I'm going to have a some sort of wow, I love that. It's beveled. This video here doesn't give this thing justice. Probably use some kind of foot ladder to prop it on. I can probably just prop it on there and then lift it right into place. But we'll see. I might just get my neighbor to help me, just because it's awkward. Let's do some measuring here. We know that across it is 49.5 inches, give or take, whatever you want. So underneath, we're going to see how high this thing, and this is why I bought this monitor over all the other monitors that they have, which are also monitors, by the way. But I'm just not interested in a 16, or I don't know. I thought I measured it at 16. There she is, right there. Sorry about the light. 27 inches high. It's only 27 inches high. And so that's good. Oh, sorry. 27.5 inches. Sorry about the light. I'm in an awkward position. So it's between 27 and 28 inches. So there you have it. Sorry about the darkness, my shadow. Anyway, that's what I wanted. 27 inches tall. Now, is that what the... there's a lip probably on the bottom and the top, which is about 1/4 inch, which means it's 27 inches tall, and that's what I'm looking at. Now, as far as the width goes, it didn't have to be 49.5 inches. That's what I got, 49.5 inches. Now, I'm not going to do the math right now to figure out if it's 55 inches, because I'm not. I'll show you something. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. I'll try and edit that out of the way. But it's heavy. Definitely heavy. Make sure you get somebody to help you to put it on the stand, and then you're good, but it'll fit right on my desk, so I am stoked about that, I believe. Trying to redo this measuring thing here. Let's go to 49. Sorry about the darkness. I'm trying to line up the, there we go, caught it. There she is. 48. Sorry, not 49, 48. And almost 1/2 inch. Oh, 46. Wait a minute. Yeah, 46.5 inches. Almost 2 inches shy, 1.5 inches shy of 4 feet. I should be able to balance this up myself, but we'll see. All right, I got to do some reading, so I'll be back, and as time goes by, we'll, take one step at a time. I am going to clean this rat hole up, because it needs to be cleaned up once I have this TV set up That's my priority. All right, be right back. As you can see there, 52 inches across, almost 52 inches for it, 15 and a half, and my TV is 46. $44, $45, $46 and a half. So I have plenty of room for it to go all the way across. You know, and I'm talking about this little corner, this little wing there. I have a wing on the left and a wing on the side of my desktop, roll top. So I have, it'll slide right in, right back, and there's a cubby hole right in there so I can like fit everything I need to slide everything back. And this should be the space, less than that. It's very narrow. I can go ahead and slide it back in there and redo all my wiring, of course. And yeah, it'll fit on my desk, on my roll top desk. I love this roll top desk. So I have plenty of room to put this TV right up there. And obviously I'm going to raise it a little bit, maybe more or less, maybe not. My flat screen I'm going to use with my old 16-year-old PC that Fry's built for me, and I've got access to all my external hard drives, so it'll fit right in there. It'll just fit in with like 1 or 2 inches of 52, 46 and a half, 47, 48, 49, 50.5, 51. So I have like 6 inches, 3 inches per side extra, and that's my 10 terabyte or 6 terabytes, whatever it is. See if I can, 4 terabyte. I can't even see that. It's so dark in here. My WD Western Digital black external hard drive. I have plenty of room to leave that right where it's at when I put this up. So be right back, peoples. Be right back. This is the back of the video. I'm sorry, of the monitor. This has to come off, and this has to be connected. I'm going to put this at an angle, and I'm going to brace it so I don't get any scratches or anything else in this. Didn't realize it was this tight, but I should be able to handle it. Okay, this is the stand. This thing is heavy. I was thinking I was going to be able to stand this up and then put it on, but nope. Not going to happen. Today they're going to be a little bit more poised, not trying to do the run through because you got to stop this passing game first. 2nd and 9. Okay, this connects. Whew. Of course, had a pick 6 at a Super Bowl against Philadelphia. To the back of the TV, the monitor. It's got some kind of wow. This is a monstrosity. This is big. DB skills right here. All right, be right back. Thought it was the ball that he's like. No. A little bit at a time. Zootopia 2 delivers a satisfying combination of laughs and thrill. It is the vibe. It establishes itself as the best animated film of the year, and audiences will keep coming back. I love you! Disney Zootopia 2, rated PG, now playing. Oh, these have to come off. You find yourself between the grown-ups. I was in the middle of my colonoscopy. And these hooligans. Do you listen to Uncle Bob's intestinal tales or shop deals on toys? Sorry about the lighting. Good choice. Engines run. Huh. Are you listening? I just have to back these off. Be right back. It's that time of year again. Happy Honda Days, where you can drive in a I'm just going to back these 2 screws off down. Here's the, sorry about my hand. Here's the stand. This thing is heavy. The stand itself alone is heavy. There you go, good shot. This thing here has to click into place on the back of the monitor, which I was supposed to not take off the foam covers until I did that, but I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to drop it down and see what I can do. Getting this thing up, I'm probably going to get help to lift it because it's heavy, and I mean heavy with this thing here. Much heavier than a... So this just clicks into the back, and then it's supposed to rotate. I don't see it rotating, but that's top and bottom. So okay, maybe it does. If not, I've got a mess I got to clean up. Wish me luck, peoples. There's only one way to attach it. These are the smaller pegs, and these are the bigger ones. Oh, I'm sorry. These are at an angle, so you slide those in at the top, and then these click into place from what I can tell, because they're like little triangles. I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying to help everybody out. Let me do one thing here. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I guess they do click in or something. I'm not really sure.